Hello friends, we learn about some concepts of first chapter mathematical logic in last video. In that we learn about the definition of statement, also a symbol to denote the statement, also some logical connectives, and for all logical connectives symbols, also logical names for each logical connective and truth tables. Today, friends, we solve exercise 1.1 in new book, that is in new syllabus. Let's take first question in that exercise 1.1. Question number first. State which of the following are statement justify in case of statement state its truth value. Friends, I told you in the last lecture how to detect given sentence is statement or not. Yes, that tricks is just ask your mind it is true or false. Okay, if your mind gives perfect answer it is either true or it is either false. Then if our mind gives perfect answer then that sentence is statement. So let's take first example. This 5 plus 4 equal to 13. Ask your mind it is true or false. Yes, 5 plus 4 equal to 9. So this answer is false. It means our mind gives us a perfect answer false, means this this statement is sentence. But what is the truth value for this statement? Yes, this statement is false. It means the truth value of this statement is capital F. Yes friend, the truth value for false statement is capital F and the truth value for true statement is capital T. So first sentence is a statement and its truth value is a false. Let's take second example. X minus 3 equal to 4. If the equation contain unknown x. Yes, I was told you if the equation contain variable and we haven't given the value of x, then such a equation is open sentence and open sentence is never statement. So this second sentence is not statement. Okay, now friends, next example. Close the door. It is command. Yes, and we learned about all the requests, all the commands, all the exclamatory sentences, all questions, that is interrogative sentence and open sentence are not statement, means this example close the door is not a statement. So friends, next question. 0 is a complex number. Yes, it is true or false? Ask your mind. 0 is a complex number. So firstly we discuss about what is meant by complex number. So friends, in 11th standard we learned about the definition of complex number. What is that definition? Yes, the number in the form of a plus ib. Okay, where I is imaginary part, imaginary number, and the value of that I is root of minus 1. Okay, and where a and b are real number, and such a number is called complex number. So let take 0. Is that 0 can be written as in the form of a plus ib? Yes, sure. 0 plus 0i. Okay, so this number is in the form of a plus ib. So 0 is a complex number. It is true. It means this given sentence 0 is complex number is a statement. And what is its truth value? Yes, it is capital T, because this sentence is a true. Now take next example is that please get me breakfast. Here some spelling mistake, it is breakfast. Okay, so please, it means it is request, and we know all the requests are never statement. It means this sentence is not statement. Okay, so take next example. Congruent triangles are similar. So friends, congruent, it means all sides and all angles are equal, and similarity is corresponding sides are in a equals, or corresponding angles are equal, means all the congruent triangles are always similar. It is true, means this sentence is a statement. And what is its truth value? If it is true, it means its truth value is capital T. Okay, so friends, next one, x square equal to x. Again, we don't know what is the value of x here. It means this sentence is open sentence. And what is open sentence? It is statement or not? Yes, it is not statement. So friends, you must try for all these examples. Okay, and in next video I will give all the answer in my channel, and please do the practice for all examples. Now friends, discuss about the second question. And what is that second question? Yes, write the following compound statements symbolically. Friends, we learn about logical connectives and also symbol for all logical connectives. So take first example. What is that? Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. So how many simple statements here? Yes, two simple statements. What is that? Nagpur is in Maharashtra. Okay, and what is second? Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so let write down firstly the simple statement P. P is Nagpur is in Maharashtra, and take second statement Q and write that Q statement Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, now symbolic form. How to write symbolic form? Find which word connect these both statements. Yes, and means in logical mathematical logic it is conjunction, and we know the symbol for conjunction. So how to write this compound statement in symbolical form? Yes, P conjunction Q, like this. Okay, understand? Firstly, you must write the simple statement given in that compound statement. So let first write this P statement, Nagpur is in Maharashtra. Also write second Q statement, Chennai is in Tamil Nadu, and then symbolical form. It is P conjunction Q. Now take second example. What is that? Triangle is equilateral or isosceles. So friends, how many statements are connected? Yes, here two statements. Triangle is equilateral or triangle is isosceles. These both statements are connected by using the words or. So now firstly write what is the P statement. Here write down triangle is equilateral. And what is the Q statement? Yes, right, triangle is isosceles. Okay, so now symbolical form. How to write that symbolical form? Symbolical form of this statement. How to write symbolical form? Yes, these both statement connected by or means here disjunction, and we know the symbol for disjunction P disjunction Q. So write down like this, P disjunction Q. Okay. Now friends, let's take next example. What is that? Third one, the angle is right angle if and only if it is measure of 90 degree. So friends, find which word is connect this both statement, if and only if. And we know what is the logical name for if and only if. What is logical name? Yes, double implication. Also it is called biconditional. So friends, firstly write down which two simple statements are connected here. Right? Firstly, that two simple statements. So first simple statement, what is? Angle is right angle. So write down P statement is angle is right angle. And now what is the second statement? It is of measure 90. It means angle. So angle is of measure 90 degree. It is statement Q. So now write down the symbolical form of these two statements combined by using the logical connectives if and only if. It means biconditional. So write down symbolical form P biconditional Q. Okay. Also it is write down P biconditional. This symbol also used for the biconditional Q's. So friends, understand how to write the biconditional two-side arrow. Okay. Now friends, you may practice next examples or questions, and for the your answers for your answer, please visit the channel HSC and SSC exam. Okay. Now next question is what? Yes, question number 3. What is that? Write the truth value of the following. So how to write truth value? By using logical connectives and its truth table. And I was told you how to remember truth table of each logical connectives in one sentence. Let us remind that all one sentences tricks. For first, conjunction. How to remember? How to we remember that truth table in one sentence? Yes, both the statement are true, then conjunction of that two statement also true in one sentence. T T T, otherwise yeah, like that all the logical connectives. Let us discuss the first question. 4 is odd or 1 is prime. Firstly, first P statement, 4 is odd. 4 is odd. It is true or false? Yes, it is false. And next, 1 is prime. Q statement is what? 1 is prime. So it is true or false? Yes, it is also false. Okay. So which word is connect here? Or means which logical connectives? It is disjunction. So we know the symbolical form of this statement. If the two statements are connected by the word or, it means it can be read in symbolical form P disjunction Q. And we know the P statement is false here. Also the Q statement is false. And we know the truth table for disjunction, F then F, otherwise true. So here both the statement are false. It means F. So truth value of this compound statement is F. Understand? Firstly, detect the symbol statement. Also find the truth value for each statement, and here find the logical connectives, and also what is the truth table, or what is the one sentence for the, remember that truth table, f, otherwise true, means that given sentence, sorry, not sentence, it is statement, that given statement is false. Understand? So let us take next example. What is that? 64 is a perfect square and 46 is a prime number. So write down the P sentence. What is that? 64 is a perfect square. Yes, 64 is square of 8. It means it is true. And next, 46 is a prime number. Is it? 46 is a prime? No. Means that given sentence is false. And which logical connectives connected these two statements? Yes, it is conjunction, because and word is used there. So symbolical form of this compound statement, P conjunction Q. So what is the truth value for P? Yes, it is T. What is truth value for Q? Yes, it is false. And we know the truth table for conjunction, T T T, otherwise yup. So here T T, but here yup, means the T T T, otherwise we must write yup. So the truth value this compound statement is yup. Okay, understand? So friends, similar way you must find the truth value for this all statement. Okay, now take next question for this exercise. What is that question? Yes, question number 4. If the statements P, Q are true statement, and we know for the true statement, what is truth value? Capital T, means for P and Q we replace T. And R and S are false statements, so means for R and S we replace truth value capital F, and then determine the truth value for the following compound statement. So let us take the first example. What is that first example? P, firstly we rub all. Now take this first example, P disjunction Q conjunction R. So friends, we have given here, what we have given? P and Q are the true statement, so replace P by T, and also Q by T, and disjunction, and we have also given R and S are false, means replace R by F. Okay, now firstly solve the bracket, and we know the truth table for conjunction T T T, otherwise yeah, but here both the truth value are not T, means the truth value for this conjunction is F. Okay, now also we know for the disjunction, what is the truth table? F, 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 otherwise T. If the both statements are false, then it is false, and if both are not false, it means the truth value for that statement is T. So the truth value for first statement is T. Understand? Just replace the true statement by capital T and false statement by the capital F, and use the truth table or truth value for all logical connectives and solve. But friends, remember, first you must find value for brackets. Okay, means we first simplify brackets and then find the value of statement. So friends, let's take one of another example. Like takes third one. Okay, just replace P Q by T and R S by F. Okay, so here fourth example is what? Q conjunction R, disjunction, negation of P, conjunction S. So let us replace Q by T and R by F. So here R by F, here disjunction, negation as it is, and what is P? P means T and conjunction and S by F. Okay. Now solve bracket firstly. Here in first bracket it is conjunction, and we know if both the statement are true then it is true, otherwise it is false. And here both the brackets connected by disjunction, and here negation of T. We know friends, for the negation, if the value is T then negation of that is false, value is false, then the negation of that is true. So here negation of T is given, it means there that negation of that T is false, and here conjunction again false. Now solve this bracket, F conjunction F, and we know the truth table for conjunction, both the statement is true then it is true, otherwise it is false, means here the bracket gives us the truth value false. Now solve this. For the disjunction, what is the truth table? F, 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 otherwise tree, means both the statement are false, then disjunction also false, means this third statement gives us the truth value capital F. So friends, try all remaining example and practice very well and check your answer on our channel HSC and SSC exam. Okay, now last question of this exercise, write the negation of following. Friends, just a simple trick for you. If you want to negation of simple statement, just remember, if the given statement contain not, then remove that not. And if the given statement does not contain a not, then put the not in that statement only. For example, in first example, Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. Fine. Here not is given or not? Yes, there is no not. It means we just put not in this statement and write the negation of that statement. So what is negation? Tirupati is not in Andhra Pradesh. Understand? If the given statement contain not, then remove the not. And if the given statement does not contain not, then put the not. Okay, that is the negation for simple statement. So next example, just take here, 3 is not a root of equation x square plus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. Here not is given, it means negation of this statement is 3 is a root of equation x square plus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. Okay friends, let us take one of the example, root of 2 is a rational number. Is there is not? No. So just write negation of that statement is root of 2 is not a rational number. Also the another method to write the negation of the given statement, just write opposite word of that given word. How? Root 2 is a rational number. And what is the negation of that statement? Root 2 is a rational number. Just write the opposite word of that rational, that is irrational. Or what is the simple method? Just put not. Okay friends, so thanks for watching and do the practice for remaining example. Good luck and check your answer on your channel HSC and HSC board exam Praj. We have given a link also in a last slide. Thank you very much. Take care.